Good morning dear students. Today I am going to discuss with you topic role of small business in India. Small business is contributing a lot in the socio-economic development of the country. So today I am going to discuss the same with you all. So let's discuss the role of small business in India. So students, the first role of small business is output generation. Small business is contributing a lot in the output generation. From the total output generation of industries, 40% is contributed by small business. So, a number of products are manufactured by small business like rubber and plastic products, electronic products, safety machines, agricultural products, as well as chemicals and pharmaceutical products are manufactured by small business. So small business is contributing a lot. From the total output generation, 40% is contributed by small business. And students, in the production activity, the resources, you can say capital utilization is 1/3 of the capital utilized in large industries. It means in the large industries, more capital is utilized in the production activity. But in small business, as most of the activities are done with the laborers, so low amount of capital is utilized, but output generation is more. Now, second point is employment generation. Small business create a lot of employment in our country, and it provides job to number of unemployed persons, including artisans as well as weaker section of society. So for the socio and economic development of the country, small business is contributing a lot by generating employment opportunities in the country. Next is adaptability and a personal touch. Small business is having a inner strength of adaptability and personal touch. A feeling of interpersonal touch is created by small business with employees and customers. It helps in making good relationship with the small business and employees and customers. Next is best suited for customized production. Customized production is that production which is done according to the order, taste and preferences of the customer. Suppose a business organization is manufacturing furniture according to the order of customer. So that will be considered as customized production. Small business is very much suitable for customized production, and goods can be manufactured according to the taste of customer. Next is supply an enormous variety of products. Student, enormous variety of products are supplied by small business. A number of products are manufactured. For example, rubber and plastic products, chemical and chemical products, electronic products, electrical products, as well as agricultural products, auto components, safety machines, etc. So, an enormous variety of products is supplied by small scale industries in country. Next is balanced regional development. Yes, small industries produce simple products with simple technology and with a locally available raw material. So, as simple technology and locally available raw material is utilized, that's why these industries can be opened in the rural areas as well as in the backward areas. As you all know, urban areas are developed enough, but because of the small scale industries, as they are going to open in rural and backward areas, so rural and backward areas are also getting developed, and it results in balanced regional development of the country. It means all the regions are going to be developed because of small business. Next is provide ample opportunities to entrepreneurship. Students, as you all know, in the small business, low amount of capital is required, and most of the activities are done with the help of labor. So it can be easily opened by anyone who is interested in the entrepreneurship. So small business, because of low capital and very less legal formalities, it gives ample opportunity to enter into the business line and go for self-owned business. So small business is providing ample opportunity to everyone to become entrepreneurship. Next is advantage of low cost of production. Students, in case of small business, low amount of capital is required and very less machinery is required. Simple technology is required because most of the activities are done with the help of labor. Locally available raw material is utilized. That's why cost of production is low. And if cost of production is low, it gives a benefit in the competitive race. In the competitive race, if our product is having low cost of production, customers will be attracted towards that very product and gives us more profit margin. So this is about advantage of low cost of production. Last role of small business is quick and timely decision making. In the small business, decisions are taken quickly and timely because we are not required to discuss the matter with a number of persons as compared to large scale business. In the large scale business, if any of the decision is to be taken, then board meetings are arranged and permission is to be taken with a number of persons. But here, no need to take this permission or discuss the matter with a number of people because it is on small scale and less number of people are involved in it. So because of timely decision, they are able to take benefit from the opportunities available in the market. So students, today we have discussed with you about the role of small business in India. So students, today I discussed with you role of small business in India. By going through all these points, you will be able to understand the role. Once again, I am just highlighting the points only. First point I discussed with you, output generation. Second, employment generation. Third, adaptability and a personal touch. Fourth, best suited for customized production. Fifth, supply an enormous variety of products. Fifth, balanced regional development. Sixth, provide ample opportunity to entrepreneurship. Seventh, advantage of low cost of production. And eighth one is quick and timely decision making. Okay students, thank you.